Welcome to Learning English with Leanne. Help with writing. This video will help you use but and because in sentences and short paragraphs. We use but in a sentence to show different things or actions. So we start with a sentence, I live in Australia. We add but and the different thing or action. My parents live in Iraq. So here we live in two different countries. I live in Australia, but my parents live in Iraq. Start with the sentence, I like football. Use but. And the different thing, my brother likes tennis. So this sentence is two different hobbies or activities. Another example, reading is relaxing. So this is good. But something maybe not so good, it makes me sleepy. One more example for you. Learning English is fun, a good thing, but writing is difficult. So a not so good thing about learning English. One thing that you'll see that's very important, when we use but, we have a comma. To show something different is coming, we must have a comma before but. So next we'll look at because. So we use because to say why we do an action. So again we have to start with our sentence, I love cooking, and then I'm going to use because, and then I'm going to say why do I love cooking? It's fun and creative. Another example, start with the sentence, I go to the gym, okay, because, why do I do this? I want to stay healthy. This is why I go to the gym. Another example, we go to the beach because, why do we go to the beach? We love swimming. Another example for you, he studies every day. We add because, and then why does he study every day? He wants good grades. Here are some examples for how we can use this in short paragraphs when we write about ourselves. So you can see this first sentence there, we used and to join two actions. My name is, I am 26 years old. Then where do I live? I live in Brisbane. But there's our comma, I am from Germany. So I live in one place, but I am from a different place. I like living in Brisbane, and I'm going to say, why do I like it? Because and why. So a new paragraph talking about my family now. So again, I've used and in the first sentence with two actions, I have, my parents live. I've connected this with and. Then I want to talk about my brother and sister. So my brother lives in Brisbane too, but my sister lives in London, so a different city. I'm going to say, why does she live in London? Because she studies at Oxford University. Another new paragraph about my hobbies or my free time. So you can see the first sentence, I use and for two actions, two things I enjoy. I enjoy walking and going out with friends. Another thing I like to do in my free time, and this time I'm going to use because to say why do I do these things? And one more thing that I do in my free time, every day I video chat with my family and friends. This is a good thing. Then I use but. You can see but with the comma. The different time in Australia is difficult for my parents. Okay, so use but to show something different or opposite. Use and to connect your sentences together. And you can use because to say, why do you do this action? One important thing that I'd like to show you also is our grammar Is this personal information? It's all present simple. Is, am, live. There's no past grammar. Yeah, like, there's lots of verbs, but all of these verbs are the present simple. Something that's important too, you can see in paragraph number 2, we have lives. My brother lives. My sister lives. He, she, it. We add s or es, and she studies. Remember to make the change for the different subject with present simple. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.